Asset planning and valuation is about ensuring clients get the very best return on their investment. So for wind farms, we've got wind architect and cable architect. That's about optimizing the levelized cost of energy, or the NPV, or the cash flow, or the wind yield, whatever financial driver a client has. Then for cable architect, that's about reducing cable length. So this is about fundamentally CAPEX reduction. And then we have the multi-asset portfolio modeling tool, which is about looking at your whole fleet of assets across a range of technologies and saying, what is my return on investment for each of those assets, or what would be a return on investment if I added a new asset into that? And that considers a variation of technical aspects, but also considers varying market prices, all of which are editable and customizable by the client themselves.